Alright, so let's expand on what you do know. You know the A minor scale, or actually the A minor blues scale. We'll just do the A minor scale. And you know how that goes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, back to A. Okay? And then again, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Okay? So the A minor scale is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, back to A. Okay. For every minor scale, there's a complementary or complementing major scale. So we'll work on that. The C major scale is the exact same thing as the A minor scale. It just starts on C, and it sounds more happy or whatever. Major, minor. When you think minor, you kind of think dark. So anyway, so with that being said, the C major scale is C, okay, starting here, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay, now that's where you're starting kind of with that A minor scale that you do know, but let's start at a better position here. On the 3rd fret of the A string is C. C, use your pinky to get to the 5th fret, D, index finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, E, 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, F, pinky on the 5th fret of the D string, G, 2nd fret of the G string, A, use your index finger. Ring finger on the 4th fret of the G string is B. So, alright, and then you resolve on C again. Those are octaves. Okay? That is the major scale. And you can do that with anything, or with any scale name. You just, wherever you're starting is the name of that major scale. So, there's C. Okay? If I want to do the D major scale, same fingering. E major scale, start on that E, like 7th fret of the A string. Okay? And then you can even start one string up. Let's just say the 3rd fret of the E string is G. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp. And then G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp. Okay? That's just going all the way from the top to the bottom string. All right. So back to the C major scale. You can write songs using the knowledge that you know of each major scale. Also the minor scales. We'll do those later. Major scale. C. All right? The notes in C are C, A, B, I'm sorry, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. All right. Now, rule of thumb is the 1st, the 4th, and the 5th chords of the major scale are natural chords or major chords. So, let's look at your 1st, which is C. Your 1st chord would be C. Okay. Now we'll look at the 4th one. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 4th note in the C major scale is F. So that's going to be an F major chord. The 4th chord in C is F. Okay? And then the 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're landing on G. So your 5th chord in the C major scale is G. Alright? So a song that is played in 1, 4, 5, or the 1st, the 4th, and the 5th chord of that scale, and the C major scale would be C, F, G. Sound like this. Okay? Now, your 2nd, your 3rd, and your 6th chords in that major scale are typically going to be minor. So we'll go all the way from C all the way up to B. And your first chord is C. Your second note in the C major scale is D. And since it's usually a minor, it's going to be D minor. So C major, D minor, E minor. Alright, that's the third. And then your fourth is F, so it's going to be F major. Fifth is G, so G major. And then your sixth note in the C major scale is A, and that would be A minor. Okay, and we'll worry about the seventh one later because that's sort of a tricky one. But with that knowledge, you can do, you've got the option from C major to D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor. You can write a song using any of those 6 chords. All right, so we'll start on the C. Let's do 1, 6, 4, 5. Okay, that would be C major, A minor, F major, G major. Six, 4, 5. Okay. You can also do something. You don't have to start with C to make it in the C major scale. Let's just do say 6, 5, 4. That's A minor, G major, F major. Okay, and then we'll go to the 3, which is E minor. That's just 3, 4, 5. Okay? So you can take that knowledge, and I'll kind of stop right here because I don't want to overwhelm you with information, but take that same concept and you can write any key with that same, write in any key with that same theory. So let's just take a look at the D major scale for a second. All right, so D. Okay, the notes are in the D major scale are D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp. Okay, so now the 1, 4, 5 of the D major scale are D, G, and A. So you can write a happy song in with D, G, and A. You can throw in the 6th chord, which is B, okay, and the 6 is a minor, so you can throw that in there after the 4, which is G. All right, so 1, 4, 5, 4, 1, 4, 6, 5, 4. Very simple once you start learning the patterns of everything. So, all you really need to know now is that the A minor scale that you've always known, the okay, it's the exact same notes as the C major scale. Okay, you're just going to start on C instead of on A. So work with that. 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 4. Okay, and then remember 1 is major, 2 is minor, 3 is minor, 4 is major, 5 is major, 6 is minor. Okay, and then the 7th is called a diminished, sharp diminished add 9, something strange like that. But we'll get into that later. Practice it.